Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Bulgaria did not join Yugoslavia. Bulgaria, unlike its Balkan neighbors, charted a distinct course after World War II, largely due to its unique historical and political landscape. While Yugoslavia formed a federation of South Slav peoples, Bulgaria had a different national identity and a separate state tradition. This fundamental difference played a significant role in its decision to remain an independent nation, rather than integrating into a larger Yugoslav state. Its alignment with the Soviet bloc also solidified its separate path. The ideological and political divergence between Bulgaria and Yugoslavia was a major factor. Yugoslavia, under Josip Broz Tito, famously pursued a non-aligned foreign policy, distancing itself from direct Soviet control. In contrast, Bulgaria remained a loyal member of the Soviet bloc and the Warsaw Pact, adhering closely to Moscow's directives. This fundamental difference in geopolitical alignment and internal political systems made a unified state highly improbable. Their distinct paths were simply too divergent to merge effectively. Bulgaria's deep-rooted national identity and historical sovereignty also played a crucial role. Unlike some regions that formed Yugoslavia, Bulgaria had a long and established history as an independent state with its own distinct culture and language. The idea of a South Slav identity, while encompassing many groups, did not resonate as strongly with Bulgarians in the same way it did with Serbs, Croats, or Slovenes. This strong sense of national selfhood made integration into a larger, multi-ethnic federation less appealing. Ultimately, the geopolitical landscape after World War II solidified Bulgaria's separate path. Soviet influence was paramount in Bulgaria, ensuring its alignment with the Eastern Bloc. Yugoslavia's unique brand of communism and its independent foreign policy, often at odds with Moscow, further cemented the divide. The two nations simply developed along different trajectories, making a union unfeasible. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.